So let me share with you guys a tip on how you guys can keep more of the funds in your own pocket. Okay, so usually when we are investing in a property, we'll have rental income coming in, we'll take that rental income and we'll pay expenses, right? We do that for every property. Okay, the income coming in, we put it in the bank, we pay expenses. Okay, so there's nothing strange about that. But here's where you can structure it slightly different. Okay, so most of us will have our primary property, and with that primary property, hopefully you have a HELOC with it. Okay, if you don't have a HELOC, then you're going to be missing out on one of the easiest techniques to pay off your mortgage faster and making your primary mortgage, which is not a tax deductible expense, into a taxable deductible expense. Okay, so if you don't have a HELOC on your primary, I highly, highly recommend that you figure out how to get one on there, because that will be a huge leveraging tool for you to use. Okay, so usually when we have a mortgage, we have this HELOC, and as we pay down the mortgage, the HELOC goes up in value so that we can access that. Okay, and when you access that HELOC and you put it into an investment, whether it's investment property or stocks or business, some sort of investment where you have the expectation of making money, that interest that you pay on that HELOC becomes a tax deductible expense. It's something that you could write off now. Okay, so what the tip is, okay, is rather than just taking your rental income and paying the expenses, the idea here is you take that income, dump it right into your primary mortgage. Then you take that primary mortgage that has gone down because it's a principal payment that you made. That mortgage has gone down, but your HELOC has now gone up. Because your HELOC has gone up, you have that borrowing power now. That funds are available to you. Take that fund out and then go pay off your expenses. So now, because you took money out of your HELOC to pay that expense, the interest that you paid on that HELOC is now a tax deductible expense.